I want to talk to you about something that you've had
Yes.
and was doing before everybody else, anybody else in the dancehall space. As far as I'm concerned, I hope I'm not offending anybody if I'm wrong.
Yes, sir.
But you started out to set up merchandise.
Yes, true.
You started to look at music as a vehicle
True that.
to grow your brand, multi-dimensional growth, your personality, your music, your physical, actual brands of things that you're putting brands on, and like rum and
Yes,
Vybz
yes,
rum
yes.
and what have you.
Yes.
And that was a big plan that we saw for the first time in our space. Where is that now?
Yeah, I mean, it's at the same place,
Yes.
and it's also a work in progress. Because I remember I did 13 years behind bars, where I couldn't physically access all of them things there.
Yes.
But now, you notice me hit the ground running, because in the past, me have the street vibes rum.
Yes.
Now me have the straight vibes rum.
The straight.
Straight vibes. In the past, me have the Addies. Now I have the Vybz Kartel wear. Oh, and the website soon launch officially. So stay tuned to Vybz Kartel Instagram. I want to get all of them details there. So we're back in clothing. We're back in the alcohol industry. And the sky's the limit. We're going to sign more artists, just like when we have the Portmore Empire. And then I mean, put out more merch, probably get our next condom again, because you know, we have to keep our branding in line with our career. Just like, you know, most rappers, even in America, them do the alcohol, them do things that are associated with the job that we do. So condom is a good thing. Safe sex, you know what I mean? Although, you know, the safest sex is no sex. But yes, things like that. So we never stop the merchandising.
Were you inspired by hip hop?
Definitely. Definitely. Remember, they are the most, African Americans are the most privileged black people in the world. You know what I mean? In terms of having access to wealth, having access to vehicles that can propel them beyond mere musicians. We see 50 Cent do it, we see Jay-Z do it, we see next the Baby Isle Man do it, and a couple other people, so yeah.
So many people believe that you would have done it had you not gotten into the trouble that
I
you
would
got
have.
into.
Trust me.
That you would have taken it, dancehall to that level.
I would have. And that is not me tooting my own horn. Even the other day, someone asked me about the Grammy nomination. I'm going to say, of course, it's very welcomed, but it's not surprising. Because think about this. Vybz Kartel, their Prisoner and Job, King of the Dancehall 2016. That is a Grammy-worthy album. But you can't blame the people them for don't nominate because they're in prison.
Yes.
So me think me would have win Grammy already had I not been incarcerated. You know what I mean? Would I get what my visa already had I not been incarcerated? I would have bring dancehall on a larger than life level, like what Shabba Ranks then did do back in the early 90s. Because me did have the talent, well, me still have the talent, but you know, at that time it was poised. Remember me have the Teacha's pet.
Yes.
All heap of things. We have the club, we have, you understand? So it would have been crazy.
Wow.
But we're there now and we work on it same way, you know what I mean? We still a link back with that club, Mecca, which funny enough, the man where I run the club, I'm a brethren, when me and him write the book Voice of the Jamaican Ghetto. You know what I mean? That at Michael Darcy. So the universe have put things back in place for me because the universe know when I do it from my heart. You know what I mean? I love it. It's my motivation. All things music, all things ambitious.
Yes.
All things uplifting.
So all those ideas and all these concepts and so on, they're still alive in your cranium, bridging?
Yeah, very much alive, man. So remember I know, can't think about it. I come out the 31st of July. So the whole of August, September, October, November. I wouldn't have done December yet. I just come out 4 full months and what, 20 odd days?
Yes.
And look how much things I do already. We have a straight vibes Wednesdays in the club already. We have the rum in a multiple Caribbean countries already. You know what I mean? We are keep one of the biggest concert them in the history of dancehall already. I'm not just 6 months yet out of where I just did 13 years. So this is a great accomplishment to me.
Oh yes.
You know what I mean?
Well,